Hello lovely viewers, I'm going to show you how to add a currency symbol to your work. Suppose your currency symbol is actually not found within the number format. How are you going to add your own country currency? Because mostly you only see the dollar, the pounds, the euro, the yen and other currency. Suppose you're in Nigeria or you're in Ghana and your currency is not found within the number format or the currency symbols. How are you going to do that? But before we add the currency, let's also first look at how to automatically generate a serial number. You see that these are names and these names are to be numbered. How are you going to number it automatically? So what you have to do is that you start with the first number. The first number is 1 and the second number you enter 2. So you just enter 1 and 2. After you enter 1 and 2, you select both cells, then you click and drag on this symbol here. You see that the symbol has changed from this to this plus, the deep black plus sign. So you click on that, then you drag downwards to the last name. The moment you release it, it will automatically number all your items for you. So for that is how you actually generate serial number for a list of items that you have in Excel. Let's also look at a simple formula. So these are quantity of items and these are the individual prices. Suppose you want to get the total price of each item. How are we going to do it? So this is just a simple multiplication that we have to do. So in Excel, every formula must also begin with equal sign. So here, that is where within this cell, which is cell E3, that is where we want our answer to be. So we just select E3 and type equal sign. After that, we select our first cell, then we type our multiplication sign, which is the asterisk. We type that one, then we select the second cell. So this becomes the formula to multiply 10 by 34. The moment you type the formula correctly, you press enter on the keyboard and you see that the answer has been given as 314. So if you want to extend the formula with these individual cells, you don't have to enter the formulas individually. So you just select the first cell that you have entered the formula. After that, you select that particular cell, then you click on this small dot at the edge of that selected cell where you have the formula. You click, then you drag downwards to automatically also calculate all the values for the rest of the cells. Okay, so this is how you actually also multiply two figures or more figures using Excel. Now these are price and these are also price. We should have a currency for them and we are going to insert the cedi currency. So for here, we just click and select an empty cell. After that, you go to insert. In insert, you click on symbols. So symbols, and here we have the currency symbol. You make sure that you look through all the symbols, then you select the currency symbol. So within the currency symbol, you actually find the cedi symbol. So this is the cedi symbol. If you're in Nigeria, you look for your currency, which is what? Naira. So this is the cedi symbol. So we click on cedi, the symbol, then we click on insert. So when you click on insert, you close it, you see that the cedi symbol is here. So what we have to do is that you select the symbol, then you right click and select cut. So when you select cut, then you go to your start button, you search for control panel. So this is the control panel, then you click on open. When you open control panel, you the view side, you click on it and you select small icons. So when you view it in small icons, you select region. With the region, you click on additional settings, and within the additional settings, see that we have numbers, we have currency. So now we want the currency, so we click on currency, and inside here you right click and paste the cedi symbol that we cut from the Excel. So you paste it, the cedis symbol here, then you click on apply, then you click on, the moment you click on apply, you see that all these have changed to the cedis symbol. Then you click on OK, click on apply, you click on OK. Then you can close the control panel window, you close it, then you come back to your work. So with your work, you go back to home, you select the currency, more account format. So here you see that you actually don't have it here. Yes, so what you have to do is that if you haven't saved your work, you save it, then you close it, then you reopen it again. So I've saved my work, I'm just going to close it. So I've closed my work, then I reopen my work again. So I'll double click and reopen my work. So when I reopen my work, I'll just select the cell within which I want to apply the cedis symbol. I'll just select that particular cell, right click on it, then go to format cells. So with the format cells, I click on currency. So you see that now I have the cedis symbol here. So these are the decimal places. If I want it in 2 decimal places, I'll make it 2. If I want it in 1 or 3 decimal places, then I'll change this side to 1. So mostly currencies are in 2 decimal places. So I want it in 2 decimal places. Then I'll click on OK. So you see that the cedis symbol has taken effect. Okay. So for this, you can just insert all of them. So you can select all the cells, you right click, you go to format cells, currency, you have your currency symbol here, which is the cedi, then you click on OK. It will apply to all. The same thing applies to other currencies if you're using naira. So this side too, we just select all of them because this is price. Select all of them, you right click on it, you go to format cells, currency, you have your cedi currency, you select your cedi currency, then you click on OK to apply your cedi currency to your work. So if you want to include currency symbol, this is the easiest way that you have to include currency symbol in your work. If your currency is not found among the predefined currency symbols that are found in Excel. Don't forget to share with your friends on how to include these symbols in your work. Thank you.